We can do this. We can defeat diabetes.
As we mark American Diabetes Month, we are reminded of the urgent need for awareness, education, and prevention. Thank you to Montefiore Einstein for your leadership and partnership, and I look forward to continue to work together with all of you. Thank you very much.
There is an epidemic of diabetes, obviously, and there's medication out there that could help you. There's eating habits that could help you. Exercise could help you. And of course, the health care that Dr. O and his team provide here at Montefiore, it's so important. We can do this. We can defeat diabetes. Diabetes is one of those illnesses that if we pound on it long enough and we educate, we could really lower the numbers significantly in a way that could make a real difference. And so let's continue to do that work. Thank you for what you do, what you all do on a daily basis. I appreciate it. The people that I represent appreciate the fight that you're in to help them. And God bless you, and always keep the faith. Thank you.
I want to encourage community members that don't be scared and come forward and seek care. The earlier you diagnose this condition, the easier it is to take care of it, and you'll be more successful in preventing complications and living a full and healthy life.
Prevention for somebody who doesn't have diabetes might be to prevent diabetes. For somebody who has already diabetes is to prevent the complication. And for somebody who has a complication might be to not end up in the hospital. So we can all make a difference if we echo the voice and empower people not to be afraid of a disease that can be treated. It doesn't have to be as scary as it seems to many. You can speak to many of your friends in the street and someone will tell you of a friend or a family member who has diabetes, and they might be concerned. So by doing this event, what Montefiore is doing is educating and empowering the community so they can take charge of their own health.
Montefiore has been a game changer in how not only health is delivered, but how community is treated. So I'm just very grateful.